So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to duplicate sticky notes here on the freeform application. So the first thing you have to do is open up freeform. Once that is done, just select a board or a document of your choice. So just go ahead here and press untitled board number 4 right here. Now to add a sticky note, go to the bottom left, second from the left, there's a sticky note icon, press on that. Now if you wanted to duplicate this, so let's go ahead and double tap to type. I will just say sticky note number 1. There you go. Now sticky note number 1. Now, if you want to duplicate this, it's super simple. Press on the sticky note right here to open up this bottom option right here, and then right in the middle, in between the trash can icon and the capital A and the lowercase a, there is that square with a plus icon. Press on that, and there you go. You've now duplicated the exact same thing on your sticky note. So for example, if the sticky note, I'll change the color to purple or to red right here. If I want to duplicate that, it duplicates that just like that. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to duplicate sticky notes here on Freeform. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.